What's up everyone? So we all probably have some important info on our computers, whether that be some family photos, work-related stuff, government secrets. So with all this important stuff, one most likely opts to have some type of password on their computer. Over time though, it can become annoying to have to keep entering some password over and over and over, or maybe you're just stepping away from your computer for a second at the local Starbucks and you don't want to have to continually lock and unlock your computer. Or maybe you're a business looking for a secure way for each employee to log in to various computers and have their own personalized experience. Well, then the Gatekeeper may have the solution for you with the Halberd. So how this works is pretty simple. After everything is set up, basically you have the Gatekeeper key itself, and when you get close enough to a computer, it unlocks it, and when you get far enough, it'll lock it. And of course, you can customize the distances of everything for both locking and unlocking. You can have it to where all you need to do is be within like a 10-foot radius of the USB plug that comes with it, or you can make it so that you have to be within reaching distance. And the same goes for locking. You can have it to where it goes out of range the second you leave your seat. On average, when getting in or out of range, it took 6 to 7 seconds for the computer to actually lock or unlock. There's also some unlock options for having to press the enter key once the computer is unlocked, or having to type in a whole other password for double verification if you want that extra layer of security. At any time, one can also just press the button on the right side of the key and the computer will lock instantly, which is pretty cool. There's plenty of settings for how things exactly work, so you can really go in and adjust everything to your own preferences. The Gatekeeper key is built very solid, it can be banged around, not get damaged, and it's water resistant. It's also built so that it can easily attach to lanyards, your keyring, all that. The battery life is also really great. Everything included in the packaging is the Gatekeeper key itself, a lanyard for the key, the battery for the key and a spare, the USB connector, an extendable lanyard, 2 male to female USB cables, some cable mounts, and I don't know if everyone's came with this or if it was just a special present for me, but also some Starbucks instant coffee things. It's very apparent that this thing is marketed towards and made for businesses over individual users, unless those users are in a business-like setting, like a work computer. While you can definitely use this on a personal level, for example, on your laptop while you're out in public, or at your computer at home if you have important stuff on there, and you live with other people, or you just don't want to keep logging in over and over. But the software doesn't feel like it's made for personal use either. I would say though that this seems like it could be pretty useful for businesses with multiple employees who need access to computers with sensitive information. The computers can remain locked while no one's using them, and then boom, when someone needs access, they just walk up and it's ready to go. Price-wise, I think it's fine. $60 gets you the Halberd key and all those accessories, and if you're looking to get more, there's a 5-pack for $275 and a 10-pack for $500. Sheesh. If you're a business that needs something like this, then you probably have the money to spend, so it's okay, I guess. In the end, the Halberd effectively does what it says and changes the way you lock your computer. I wouldn't go out of my way to recommend the Gatekeeper Halberd to people to use on a personal level, although in a business scenario, it could definitely be a solution to some of the more common workplace problems. Thanks for watching. The link to the Gatekeeper Halberd is in the description below. As well, don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming videos, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.